Yo, up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 13. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you then can release. Continue to hold. You can now look up. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and drop a like. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers, so let's do it. There you guys go.